Today we make beef sausage, air-dried and smoked. We also can make bratwurst out of it if we change the curing salt, the regular salt. Here I got some beef trimmings and pork neck. This is about 8 pounds of beef, and that's about 6 pounds of pork. But we only need 5 pounds to use the spice mix we make. Okay, let's do the cutting. Okay, rinse it out. So I put it a little bit to the outside, so it's put it back in the freezer, so it gets space from the inside to get cold enough for grinding. I'm going to use an 8mm plate for grinding. That's about a 1/4 inch holes. I let it through the grinder twice. Okay, I give this to a bigger bowl so it's a little easier to mix. Okay. Okay, this is the curing, or the spices with the curing salt. Might look a little bit different from what you got. This is pretty coarse. This is the German curing salt. That's more coarse. Okay, back fat is still frozen. Okay, put it back in the freezer. I'm going to mix it a little bit before. Don't worry about the fatty part. It's gonna be a real nice sausage. Okay, got it back from the freezer. Check temperature. 20, well, 126.6 Fahrenheit. So I mixed it till it's all sticky. Put some ice water in it. It's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, get ready for stuffing. So try again. Yes, that is what it is. So because I'm going to smoke them, I'm not separate them, so they stay together, so I can better hang them in the smoke. Okay, this was the video beef sausage smoked, and I do the final testing. Still has to hang a little bit longer. It's more, so it gets more dry. So I would give it another 2 to 3 days. This is hanging for 1 day and 1 day drying, so that's a total of 2 days. Should give it a little bit more time to do the drying, and then it's just perfect. And if you use regular salt instead of the curing salt, it will make you perfect broth for your next barbecue. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope to see you again. at the next videos of the littleGasthaus German sausage maker. Okay, bye bye. This one, I put it in the pan and just fried it. Very good. I'm sure you will like the taste. Tastes a little bit cinnamon is in there too, and that gives it a special taste. Beef sausage, not smoked yet, but I will. Okay.